will get shared to you guys in the Google Drive in specific folders. So once the formalities are completed, you will get a shared folder like this in my drive and shared with the people. And like this, your PPTs will come in the PDF format, whatever we have explained in the session. And these can be used as a basic reading material for you whenever you have planning to do a recap quickly. Just by recapping these things, you will by reading these few pages material, you will recap the things. And then, as I said, there is a step-by-step document. These are the documents. These needs to be converted into the PDFs again, but I didn't get time to convert. So I will convert them in this week. I have few holidays. So you will get a step-by-step examples for each and every session like this. So with this you can practice, and mm, you will get two projects for practice at the end. So these are the practice. These are also from Mule. You will get a step-by-step document to practice. This is one project. I will explain this project how you can convert this into a exactly mimicking of your real-time project. And this is one, and this is another project. This is also from the MuleSoft, right? So here also you'll have step-by-step things are available. I will execute them and show you in the session, and then I will explain you how this will be in real time. Okay, so let's get started. So 12 members. Mm, Yesterday we had about introduction session about just what is middleware, what is your life before middleware and after middleware, and then we have discussed MuleSoft as an integration platform, advantages, and the prerequisites to learn the MuleSoft and as well as to run the MuleSoft hardware requirement, and what you will get in my training and how to choose a trainer. So this is general information I have given. So those who have not attended the session, you can go and attend the session in the YouTube. It was uploaded, and your session videos will be also uploaded in the YouTube especially. And so here will be channels for each and every batch. So say suppose 8:30 a.m. batch, this was completed. For them, there are almost complete session videos were there. This will be shared in a private mode only for the participants. So this will be there until YouTube allows for public free uploading of videos. And for another batch, so they are still continuing at 29th session. So this will be available, but these will be available only for the people, these are with private access. This will not be available for the people who doesn't have any, I need to control, I have control over the access. Suppose if I click this on, an incognito window without sign in, so this no videos will be showed here. So you have to sign in with a proper ID that you have given to me. Then only I will allow you guys to see these videos. Okay, so like this you will get.